production.
We'll do a nice quick little breakdown here on Appl. I just find it interesting. It's a leader of the market. It's one of the, I think it's the biggest market cap on the stock market. Somebody correct me if I'm wrong, please, but I'm almost certain they are. I just like pointing out interesting things that happen on charts. So in my opinion, I think this is pretty interesting how we had this long period of consolidation. We'll take it out of the log chart, right? This trend line's holding us back, and we get a breakup above it, right? So we had this period where we change the trend, we create a higher low, and then we start pushing higher, but we run right up into this zone and we get a massive bearish engulfing here. So it's interesting to see technically, right, the bearish engulfing, what it's indicating to us is that there's going to be further downside from here, especially when you get a sell-off like this. So again, like what could probably potentially happen is that we hang around here and we want to slowly weaken this zone and then we break above it. That's the bull case, right? So that's a good scenario if that were to happen. But if what I think is going to happen, right, we're in a bear market, the bears are in control, we might get pushed down from here and we start creating that downtrend once again, right? So I wouldn't just rule it out and be blindly all in bullish right now, but it technically is still running into this resistance. So this could be still a period of distribution, right, where people are selling because they think the price is going to lower. Things could be happening in the world, like I've mentioned it in the previous video, right? Recession talks, interest rates rising, so much financial crisis BS. There's so much shit that could potentially happen. The Russia-Ukraine stuff, like who knows, right? Nobody knows. But right now, the easiest strategy in my opinion is just dollar cost average on a long-term basis. And once all the drama and the facade's over, we'll see markets rise back up to all-time highs at some point. So instead of trying to call bottoms and all this shit and making it really hard like on ourselves as traders or investors or swing traders, whatever you want to call it, it's a lot easier to just take it easy and not go for those large big trades and just focus on dollar cost averaging on stocks that you have conviction in. Then again, I'm repeating myself now, but that's what I see here. We come right back into this resistance zone. We have massive sell off. Let's check out what the volume looks like on the 2 hour. Let's check out the 1 hour. We get a pump right up into this zone and then we get immediately rejected. So again, for the bulls, right, we want to see us come maybe back and slowly fight this resistance and break it down. The bears are probably thinking this is a perfect area, we're going to start shorting right at the top, and then we slowly might see price gradually come back down into this zone here, and that could be maybe late end of August, who knows, September. But I'd be looking, right, maybe if we do come back down here, will we be double bottoming? Something to pay attention to, where we get that push up, we come back down into this zone, another great buy opportunity, and then we start to slowly turn it up again. That's the breakdown though on Appl. Just a few things I'm kind of paying attention to across the market, trying to switch it up a bit. Peace, guys.